How to create a Reolink account. Ready to start using Reolink? Here's how to create your account. First, open the Reolink app on your device and tap on the sign up on the login screen. Enter your email address and create a secure password. Agree to the terms and conditions. Then tap register. You'll get a verification email. Open it and click the link to activate your account. Now you are ready to log in and add your cameras. Was the sign up process easy for you? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Use a strong password and keep it safe to protect your account. And that's how you can create a Reolink account. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.